All right, here we are back at science time. We've been doing a lot of planting. Today we are going to plant a terrarium. Now a terrarium is a lot like a garden, except you can keep it inside. So this terrarium is a little container full of dirt and soil. And then I also transplanted some of our ryegrass that we grew earlier, and there's a little bit of alfalfa in there as well. I have one more piece that I would like to transplant. You can see the roots at the bottom. So I'm going to actually stick this on the other side of our terrarium. And we'll make sure we have soil all the way covering up all the roots. So we're going to grow some ryegrass in our terrarium. And then I wanted to take our wheat that we have grown. Look how tall it's getting. Super tall. So you can see our wheat that we've been growing. I'm going to actually transplant that as well into our terrarium. And I want you to think about our terrarium and think about, does our terrarium need the same things that other plants need? Do you think our terrarium will need water and air and light? It will. It will need all of those things. So in our terrarium is a habitat. A habitat is a place where living things live. A habitat provides all the things that plants or animals need. So a habitat would have food, water, air, sunlight for plants, and shelter for any animals. Okay, so here's our terrarium. Let's do a review of some of our vocabulary words. Today we made a mini garden in a closed container called a terrarium. A place where living plants or animals get their food, water, air, sunlight, and space, including shelter. It is called a habitat. Perfect. So we're going to pause here, and as we continue to grow our potato and our cuttings, eventually we will transplant them and move them into our terrarium, and we'll check on it in a little bit. See you later.